Introducing you to India's first gesture control smartwatch. Hammer Active 2.0 Plus. In this video you will see what's in the box, how to join smartwatch straps with dial, how to connect smartwatch with Android and iOS. Let's unbox. In the box you will get a smartwatch dial, straps, charging cable, user manual and warranty card. These straps comes with a lock mechanism for easy installation and safety. To connect with Android, download or update RDFit application from Play Store. Set up your profile. Turn on the smartwatch and turn on the watch Bluetooth. Then turn on your mobile's Bluetooth and allow permissions. Search for devices, connect with corresponding MAC address, or you can directly scan the QR code provided in your smartwatch. After that, pair the device with mobile's Bluetooth for both call and media audio. Enjoy all the interesting features through app. If you wish to connect your smartwatch with other mobile, firstly unbind the device through app. How to connect with iOS. Download or update RDFit application from App Store. Set up your profile and allow permissions. Repeat the same procedure to connect and pair the smartwatch with application. And it's done. To learn how to use gesture control feature of Hammer Active 2.0 Plus smartwatch, check out the video link in description. And subscribe our channel for more such videos.